So when you check the Qwen, you'll also find that they have like this desktop version that is being launched, and they have same features and looks just like on the web. So this is web version, and when I download it, it's here, which is desktop one. So it is complete application, which is basically web app converted into desktop one. Here you will find one change, that in web version you will find the coder option, right? Basically coder.qwenai, and that option seems to be missing in Qwen desktop, right? You get to use the models in both the places, like you have same drop down in both sides, and also you will find that web version has community and new project options, same you will find here, right? Also you can do the voice dictation here in desktop as well as in web, so pretty much same on that part. And there is temporary chat option as well. You can always come out of that part and move into a regular chat, right? Now the community part I'm looking for specifically is to check all the content, right? So if we check the web dev content, you'll find that they also have released the option to copy the existing working apps and then copy them into your own prompt and get to modify or say customize. So if I click on the customize part, you will notice that this is the prompt, and we are using web dev option thinking model, and we can change these cells into some other dashboard, still keeping those intention of colors, accent and all that as same, right? So community part on that front is pretty decent. You can also take a look at the podcast, multiple languages, and here if you click on them you get to also read the same, right? So here we have to read that part before we can create the podcast part, right? So you have to go through entire part, so basically it will tell you what to create, right? So here you can see this basically is the content that is now converted into a podcast, right? So you have to read carefully before you can push for it, right? So here, and you have to click on this to listen to that part. So first go through this, read everything and see how much of that is converted into podcast. So this being a very large content, it is compressed into 6 minutes worth of audio content. So like this you can actually customize a lot of community input and adjust to your own content, and even give the tone on what to and not to do. So simple instruction like create a podcast would do the work. Here you can see you can basically create a draft with ideas first. So read how they have lined up the draft, then you can create the podcast, and then finally you can listen. Now I'm pretty sure that the type of audio and video quality that we have with AI these days, we can easily differentiate between reality and the voice that are artificial. So we may want to still tweak to make it real, right? Now there are other options like video as well. You can see you have to scroll past through a lot of content, because as you can see all these type of content you have, and here you can see. So basically go through them for the prompt and then decide what works for you better. You also find the option for my published, and currently as you can see I don't have anything published on the community portal, so that will reflect there, right? Here you can have settings, and the old option to find the API key is no longer there, right? So you get to only see the spending you have, how much you can spend on these model and how much context is there, and so on. There is also MCP option which you can use to take this out, right? So currently we have code interpreter, firewall. This all they copied from my local Qwen code and added into the account. So basically you find this only on web right now, so Qwen coder, and it is removed from here, right? You don't even get the option for coder now on Qwen Studio. So expect this in Alibaba subscription, or maybe through token or API plan. They have separately kept in Qwen as well as in Alibaba's plan.